12th Standard Economics, Lesson 2, National Income, Part 6, Difficulties in Measuring the National Income. In India, a special conceptual problem is possessed by the existence of a large. One is unorganized and another one is a non-monetized subsistence sector where the barter system still prevail for transacting the goods and services. So that is a main barter system, exchange of goods only, not involving the money. Here, a proper valuation of output is very difficult. The difficulties are the transfer payment, difficulties in assessing depreciation allowance, unpaid services, income from illegal activities, production for self-consumption and changing price, capital gain and statistical problem. First one, explain the transfer payment. So the government makes payment in the form of pensions, unemployment allowance, subsidies, etc. So that is a government expenditure, but they are not included in the national income. First transfer payment. Second one, because they are paid without adding anything production process during a year. Interest on national debt is also considered transfer payment because the paid for the government, individual and firms their past saving without productivity. So first one, the transfer payment, two things, government expenditure, pension, employment allowances, subsidies. Second one, unpaid services. So the main first unpaid services, the housewife render a number of useful services like preparation of meals, serving, tailoring, mending, washing, cleaning, bringing up of the children, etc. She is not paid for them and their services to not directly included in the national income. Such services performed by paid servants are included in the national income. So housewife charges not included in the income. The servant paying the salary is included. The reason for the exclusion of her services for national income, that is the love and affection of the housewife in performing her domestic work cannot be measured in monetary terms. Similarly, there are number of goods and services which are difficult to be assessed in the money terms for the reasons stated above, such as rendering services for their friends, painting, singing, dancing, etc. Another one, difficulties in national income, income from illegal activities, income earned through the illegal activities like gambling, smuggling, illegal extraction of liquor, etc. Not included in the national income. Church have value satisfied the wants of the people, but they are not considered as a productive point of view of the society. Next one, production for self-consumption and changing the price. So farmer keep a large portion of food and other goods produces on the farm for their self-consumption. The problem is whether the part of produce which not sold at the market can be included, so not included in the national income. National income product method is measured the value of final goods and services current market price, but prices do not remain stable, they rise or fall. So economists calculated the real national income at the constant price level by the consumer price index. So next one, capital gain. The problem also arises with the regard to capital gain. Capital gain arises when capital assets such as a house, other houses, other properties, stock and shares, etc. These are sold higher price than was paid for at the time of purchase. The capital gains excluded for the national income. So all the properties are excluded to the national income. Another one, statistical problem. There are statistical problem is a great care for required avoid the double counting. Double counting, the statistical data may be perfectly reliable when they are combined for the numerous sources. Skill and efficiency of the statistical staff and cooperation of the people at large also equally important estimating the national income. Next one, the following are some of the statistical problem. First one, accurate and reliable data are not adequate as form of output. Subsistence sector is not completed in form. The animal husbandry, there are no authentic production data available. Second, statistical problem, different language, customs, etc. also create problem in the computing estimates. Third one, people in India are indifferent to official inquiries. They are must cases no cooperative also. Most of the statistical data are untrained and inefficient. Therefore, national income estimates in our country are not very accurate or adequate. There is at least 10% of the main margin of the error estimated, underestimated at the least 10%. That is why the GDP estimate in India varies 2 trillion US dollar to 5 trillion US dollar. Thank you.